viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Jeera Pepper Rasam, that is Cumin Pepper Rasam. This rasam is healthy, tasty, spicy and tangy South Indian soup. This flavorful rasam is easy and quick to prepare. This rasam provides great relief for cold, cough and sore throat. Jeera pepper rasam can be had as a soup and can also be eaten with steamed rice. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making Jeera Pepper Rasam, I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 ripe tomato, little curry leaves and 2 teaspoons of jaggery. Soak gooseberry sized tamarind in water for half an hour and salt to taste. Keep a pan on stove and add peppercorns, cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of pure ghee and fry on a low flame till you get a nice aroma. Now add into the mixie jar and grind coarsely and keep aside. Now extract the juice from the soaked tamarind and keep it ready. Keep a kadai on stove and add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing, turmeric powder, red chilies, crushed garlic and fry for 30 seconds. Add curry leaves and fry. Now add tomatoes and fry for a minute. Now add tamarind juice. Mix and add jaggery. Now add freshly ground cumin and pepper mix, salt, mix well and add 1 glass of water. Mix again. Add little coriander leaves. Allow it to boil on medium flame till the raw smell of the tamarind goes off. Jeera Pepper Rasam is ready to serve. Transfer this into your bowl. Jeera Pepper Rasam can be had as a soup. This rasam can also be eaten with steamed rice. Thank you for watching my video.